For millions of asthma sufferers, a medical inhaler is one of the most effective ways to control the symptoms. For almost half a century, America's most popular choice was Primatene Mist. This morning, Congress is ready to decide if it should be sold again. Chip Reid is with us and joins us with this story. Chip,
well,
good to see you in Washington
at the table. It's great to be here with you. What a room you have here.
Yes.
Primatene Mist was appealing to many asthma sufferers because it didn't require a prescription, but today's move to allow the inhaler to return to store shelves has also been met with opposition from the medical community, who say Primatene Mist isn't the best way to treat asthma.
Have you talked to the FDA?
Later today, members of the House are expected to vote on whether to give Primatene Mist back to consumers. At the start of 2012, the popular over-the-counter inhaler was pulled from drugstore shelves for containing chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs, which are considered one of the primary causes for the depletion of the ozone layer. Under the terms of a 1997 treaty, the United States pledged to phase out all CFCs by 2030. But the manufacturer, Amphastar Pharmaceuticals, was unable to create an environmentally friendly version of Primatene Mist before the FDA imposed deadline. That has left asthma sufferers, many from low-income homes, without an over-the-counter option to treat their symptoms.
The tiny amount of CFCs that are dispersed in treatment of an asthma attack is absolutely minuscule, and it really makes no sense to prevent asthma patients from having that therapy available.
Now, Amphastar is hoping Congress will allow its excess stock of Primatene Mist to return to stores across the nation. The company says it will donate the profits to charity.
I trust Primatene.
The possible return of Primatene Mist has also drawn opposition from the medical community. In a letter, the president of the American College of Allergy, Asthma, and Immunology wrote, the use of inhaled epinephrine can pose a significant health risk because of its numerous adverse cardiopulmonary effects.
It's very short-acting, it has lots of side effects. Rather than going backwards to something that really isn't good, we should go forward and try to encourage people to get the best possible care that they can.
There are reportedly up to 1 million Primatene Mist inhalers being stored in a warehouse in California that the manufacturer is hoping to distribute if the bill passes. The irony is that the expiration date on those products is August 2013, so even if the inhalers make it back to stores, they can only be used for a few months.
Wow. So why is this bill so controversial?
Well, number one, it allows one company to empty its inventory, basically. Now, they say they're giving the money to charity, but what it does, it allows them to keep market share between now and the time when the FDA finally approves another inhaler.
Mm-hmm. In the meantime, what do people do?
People are kind of stuck right now, and they're going to want that Primatene Mist, and they're going to want the FDA to move quickly to approve a new one.
And how does Congress work on this when they can't even get the fiscal cliff done?
Well, this they hope to get done. It's on what they call the suspension calendar, which means they need a 2/3 vote in the House. They think they'll probably get it, then the Senate has to pass it. So.
All right. Chip Reid, great to see you.
Great to see you.